Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add a document to your iPhone or iPad home screen. So if you want to add a document to the home screen on your phone and don't know how to go about this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to add a document to your iPhone home screen, all you need to do is go ahead and open the shortcut application on your iPhone. Click on the plus icon at the top right. Then click on new shortcut. Choose rename. Here I'm gonna say doc. Then click on done. Now click on search action. Search for open files. Select it. Then here you see open file in default app. Click on file. Once you select file, go ahead and select the PDF file or document you want to open using this shortcut. Then click on in default app. Now select the app you want to open the file from. In this case, let's open the file from Files app. Now click on done. Then again, click on the three dots on the doc you created. Click on doc. Click on choose icon. Go ahead and select icon that matches your document or what you can easily identify on the home screen. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and select this calendar button. Click on done. Click on done. And then you're good. Now go ahead and open the document. Hang on. Then if you see the document open, if the PDF is passworded, go ahead, type in the PDF password. Click on go. And then this is going to open on your app screen or home screen. See that? So click on that. And then the PDF file is going to open. However, if you want to remove that, you can also do that in the shortcut page. Click on done. And then you're good. So that is exactly how to easily add documents to home screen on iPhone or on iPad. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.